Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Wrathx pre-workout. First, understand that Wrathx is designed to boost your energy, focus, and endurance during workouts. It contains powerful ingredients like caffeine for alertness and beta-alanine to reduce fatigue. Always begin with a smaller dose to see how your body reacts before increasing. This ensures a safe and effective experience. For optimal results, start by mixing a half scoop of Wrathx with 8 to 10 ounces of cold water to check your tolerance. Once comfortable, you can increase to a full scoop. It's crucial to consume Wrathx approximately 20 to 30 minutes before your workout. This timing allows the ingredients to fully activate, providing you with peak energy and focus when you need it most during your training. To ensure safety and effectiveness, avoid taking Wrathx within 4 hours of bedtime, as its stimulating effects can disrupt sleep. Staying well hydrated throughout the day is also essential, especially when using pre-workouts. Always listen to your body and do not exceed the recommended dosage. If you have any pre-existing health conditions or are taking other medications, consult a healthcare professional before use. To truly maximize your workout benefits with Wrathx, remember to combine it with a balanced diet and a consistent exercise routine. Consistency is key for achieving your fitness goals. Never exceed 1 scoop within a 24-hour period to avoid potential side effects. Also, for other great deals and to make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers, check out the link in the description below. Stay focused and crush your workouts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.